Bring it back.
Good morning, Panther. Welcome to WPNN. My name is Nasha.
And my name is Elena. It's an excellent day to be a Panther.
Heritage will be hosting the Bud Dive tomorrow, Tuesday, November 7th. The Bud Dive will be here at Heritage from 8:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Students from age 16 to 18 and over will be allowed to donate.
If you're interested in donating blood, sign up in Coachella's room 6114. Both a signed parental consent form and school permission form will be required.
You need to take the Armed Service Vocational Aptitude Battery Test. The ASVAB is being given this Thursday, November 9 in the auditorium from 8:45 a.m. to 11:45 a.m.
The Media Center even has ASVAB test prep books for you to check out.
To sign up, use the link in sophomore, junior, or senior in Google Classroom or the Google Form shown here.
An announcement from our guidance department. They will be sponsoring a lunch bunch, game time during lunches. See the council at lunch for more information.
Congratulations to the football game, who closed out a 9-1 regular season on Friday night. With a big win over Bayside, they are now all set for the first round of state playoff, which begin this Friday night at 7 p.m. here at Heritage.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!